Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on OnePlus Ace 3V. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and click here on Hey Google, then click here on Hey Google. Now click on More and I agree, then click on More and I agree again. Then click Next, then click Next, More and I agree. Then click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next, Next, More and I agree. And then you can click back and click on lock screen. Then click Yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.